Homemade Bluetooth boombox with awesome RGB LED effect. Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel Hacktuber. I have this mini wooden barrel sitting around for years and I thought it will be crazy idea to make boombox out of a wooden barrel and adding Bluetooth Wi-Fi audio board. So far I got just the barrel, and next step is installing a high quality audio amplifier and this board up to stream Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Hi-Fi stereo amplifier board that support music play from Spotify, Deezer, AirPlay and phone storage. The board works from 12 up to 26 volts DC. This unit comes with big power adapter that gives 24 volts and enough of current. Audio amplifier at 4 ohms can deliver 50 watts on each channel. Also, this board has these features: stream music via network by Wi-Fi or LAN cable without distance limitation. Multi-room and multi-zone feature is supported if using with multiple units. Play same or different music on each room. This is great product, and for more info check the link below for both products. Up to Stream Pro Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Hi-Fi audio receiver board and Up to Stream Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Hi-Fi stereo amplifier board. In next minutes I will assemble the whole barrel boombox with fixing the main board, wire up everything and install the RGB LEDs. Finish it and let's try it. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.